Follow these steps to remove two-factor authentication on Snapchat. First, launch your Snapchat. Now, navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now scroll down. You're gonna find the option of two-factor authentication. Click on that. Now, here you're gonna find the option of text verification or authentication app. Disable for the option of text verification in case you have enabled it. Likewise, if you have enabled authentication app, disable for that option. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Are you sure you want to disable your authentication app or text verification? Click on OK. It's gonna take few seconds and your two-factor authentication will be disabled on Snapchat. So this was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.